That's the market regulator. FMCG companies may have survived the first quarter, but industry leaders warn that a deficient monsoon and rising inflation could spell trouble for the coming quarters. Farah Bukwala has that story.
From Hindustan Unilever to Dabur to Marico to Godrej Consumer, FMCG companies say the deficient monsoons are threatening to wash out growth in the coming quarter. Mainly because a poor monsoon will mean a rise in inflation, especially food inflation.
There would be some impact on the consumer sentiment and later on consumer behavior. The disposable income would definitely come under pressure. I believe the retail sector has now started showing decline in food consumption. So that's a sign that yes, there would be a curtailment of consumption. There may be down trading.
Players say the government must intervene if the pain is to be softened.
It really all depends on two things. One is what happens to the monsoons, and the second is how the pricing gets impacted by, decisions on whether to export or not.
Some, like Hindustan Unilever, had admitted to a slowdown in demand even before a drought was officially announced.
When you look at these, whether it's through sentiment, whether it's to do with income in rural areas, whether it's to do with inflationary trends, these are clearly some things that are going to put pressure. Some will put pressure from a cost lens, some will put pressure from a market growth lens.
But others, like Godrej Consumer, argue that the drought will boost rural demand as crop prices rise due to a shortfall. However, Godrej points out that demand from urban consumers could take a hit.
What effect might come about because of the poor monsoon is in the 10% of the bottom income earners in urban India, because they will be affected by higher food prices and they spend a very large portion of their income on food. So there might be some lower demand.
Lower demand notwithstanding, FMCG players say they will have to look at calibrated price hikes to offset rising input costs. But many say they will lower ad spends and stem product innovations, especially in the premium category, to ensure consumers are not dealt a heavy blow. In Mumbai, Farah Bukwala.
Hamid Ansari re-elected as the Vice President of India, and